And now we have some wonderful videos from Eastern Tropical of Africa. They have got the Big and also clouds. Beberapa dari jenis ayam mutiara asalnya dari Afrika bagian timur, memiliki paruh serta cakar yang sangat kuat.
Woi, bang mana?
And based on lovely kakadu, and so kakadu is considered to be very intelligent. This is because their ability to mimic. They use mimic in the honor for months to attract their mate or to defend their territory. Jadi kakadu ini terbilang hewan yang pintar, jadi mereka mempunyai kelebihan untuk meniru. Dan mereka akan menggunakannya untuk mempertahankan wilayah kekuasaan mereka atau wilayah pertahanan. Alright, kita tulis our last version di show today. Thank you very much for joining us. And for the next show, we have Basic Instinct Birds of Prey show at 11:30 in the corner of Bali Bird Park. So one more time, thank you very much. I hope you enjoy the rest of your holiday in wonderful island of Bali. Thank you.
Oh, makanya udah keluar.